Hi, Krista. What you were looking at is she's actually trying to plank through the ankles and not work on the spine and the pubic bone strike. And so that the extra stress that she's putting on her lower legs is showing up with asymmetry. When you're working on this right now, she should be working on her pubic bone strike, and that's exactly what they do. They come up and they go down. However, they do it a bit more through the knees. She's planking a bit too much, and it happens at 4.5 months. So just to show you what this is, excuse my messy desk, and I realize I don't have my doll. Where's my doll? So what's happening here is she's here working, right? But when she's doing this, she's forcing through the ankles and then coming up, right? And so when she comes down, she's kind of kicking. What you want to work on with that, and this is in the pubic bone strike course, it's in the baby support program and the child support program, is more here where she's actually feeling that pubic bone strike going through. And then again, this is where the wiggle in the hip starts coming in, which will eventually be needed for coming up to sitting and coming that way. But that's where it starts. She again is just going long in the legs and doing it that way, and that's where you're seeing the strain in the ankles.